What are NFTs? NFTs are non-fungible tokens. They cannot be exchanged for another item because they are unique, example, a piece of art. They live on the blockchain and represent ownership of unique items. How are NFTs helpful? NFT allows effortless tracking of a digital asset and identifies the owner of the digital asset, example, a JPEG on your computer. You can create an NFT out of that JPEG that holds unique information like a token name, fingerprint, and symbol. This NFT can be stored on a blockchain, making the artist the digital asset owner. The owner can sell the asset by creating a transaction in the blockchain without tampering with the information. A few points to note. Artwork itself does not store within the NFT or blockchain, but only its fingerprint, token name, hash file, and symbol. When you buy an NFT that contains artwork, you will not get a physical copy of it. NFT always represents the ownership that records in a blockchain. The NFT holder only holds the copyright and reproduction rights. For example, the founder of Twitter sold his first tweet as an NFT, so now only one person owns it. What decides the worth of an NFT? The value of NFT is determined by what people are willing to pay for it. If you want to create an NFT, connect with expert developers of value coders who are masters of this field.